It's the gimbal. Yeah.
Take the wire.
There we go.
Do we need to put something on because of the light today?
No, I don't know.
Joerg's getting excited.
Good morning, guys. We are test flying the drone today, so that's really exciting. We have Matteo with us, who's working with Joerg, and he's an expert in flying drones.
Buenos dias. Good morning. How are you?
So kind that you help us out.
Oh, it's my pleasure. My pleasure.
Okay, shall we do the tutorial?
Yep.
It says beginner flight tutorial.
All right. Start the preflight check because we need to call it.
We came to Beeston Castle here in Cheshire this morning because we thought it would be such a great location for drone shots, and yeah, we hope we will be lucky. The weather is beautiful, and we came here some months ago actually and took a very nice hike. I'm going to link the video again for you, and yeah, the guys are over there. Let's see. The guys are over there, and yeah. We have Beeston Castle over here, and we have Beckfulton Castle over there, which is a hotel and a wedding venue.
There's too much grass. I don't need to cut the grass today.
But you're really loud.
A little bit more louder. And then hold going.
So we have 2 drones in the air right now.
You've updated your home file. This time
Okay. First normal and push the whole stick forward. So in normal. So you can see the difference. That's in sport.
All right, we are going to another place, but Joerg says he loves it. Well, we left our previous spot because a farmer lady came to us and said it's their land and we should leave, and it's totally fine, we don't want to get into any trouble. It was one of the reasons, I must admit, that I didn't want to get a drone, or was very reluctant to get a drone, because of things like that. Although we only want to use the drone in remote areas or when we stay in a remote cottage, something like that. Today is just for learning. So we decided to come to Bickerton Hill, where we went about, I don't know, 2 months ago, because this is just nature and we can fly here, I'm sure. And we took a cake with us. I baked a cake yesterday morning, a German cheesecake, and it was a major fail. Don't ask me. It never happened before. And whenever you want it to work out, it just doesn't, but still. Yeah, we're going to have a nice afternoon here and should be alright.
I'm ready for it.
Let's have some major fail cake. Curiosity cola. Oh.
That's made me curious.
I wasn't allowed to bring the beer, so sorry.
No, that's not true. You are lying. Guys, that's not true.
That's true.
I said we have really nice German beer at home, and I said to Joerg, you can't take beer that is not cold because that's not very nice.
But you knew exactly because we were watching. Nothing will happen. Because I could see us from the light.
So this is our spot. The 2 drones. Joerg even brought San Pellegrino. We've got Curiosity Cola. Then the cheesecake that didn't turn out too well. This one or San Pellegrino? Have you ever tried that?
I'll try the Curiosity. I've
This
never
is good.
tried it.
We really like it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
It's a different kind of cola.
Cheers.
Salud.
Prost in German.
Salud.
Salud is nicer. So we came to this place and want to film this beautiful view. That should be nice. Joerg almost crashed the drone, and without Matteo we probably would have lost it. Joerg has got some adrenaline today. Yeah, but you have to learn. You have to learn it somehow. I wouldn't be able to fly it at this point, and I think Joerg just needs all the practice, and then he can teach me, maybe. And yeah, maybe we got a bit of footage. And if it's not perfect, do forgive us. This is just the beginning, hopefully. Yeah, it was very nice. Very nice day out. Joerg, were you scared of losing the drone?
Yes, I was. Yeah, because I really believed that would crash it.
I think you have to come to the Lake District with us.
It was okay. I trust Joerg. I know he did a good job.
We will call you.
Yeah. No worries.
You are impressive. Yeah. He's scratching himself.
You look good.
I said we're going home now. Thank you. So we just returned home.
Yeah.
And realised that we are quite hungry actually.
Yeah, so we have to cook dinner now.
Yeah, I think I will do that. And it was an exciting day.
Yeah, very exciting.
For Joerg, I think.
Yeah, I learned a lot.
Yeah, at one point you nearly crashed the drone.
Yeah, but Matteo helped me a lot and he taught me a lot.
Yes.
And so it was very, very helpful.
We are really grateful.
Yes.
Yeah.
He did a good job.
And although the video will probably be short, we decided to put it up anyway so you can see what we did today.
Yeah, and it gives you some views of what we will do in the future.
Yeah, we just think it helps us improve our videos when we are out in nature somewhere. Because it looks so different from above, doesn't it?
Yeah, gives a different view.
Yeah, totally. And yeah, we're going to the Lake District. next weekend, and stay tuned for videos, and we'll see you again very soon.
Yeah. Stay safe.
Stay safe and take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.